this is Astrid with Kanen Coffee, and I have this Pasquini Livia 90 here. So this machine came in for a tune-up, and I found that it also needed a new pump. As you can see, this old pump is from 2002. Usually we recommend replacing the pump around every 5 years. So this one was quite old. On top of that, I replaced the group head gasket, which you can see here, broke into pieces because it was kind of brittle. Just shows how much it needed to be replaced. And then here's that screen that I replaced. I descaled the machine, backflushed the group head, deep cleaned the steam one with milk cleaner, wiped down the whole machine, and cleaned the portafilter. So now I'm just going to pour the shot and show you that everything is working. I also added a spacer to the group head gasket just so that the portafilter would fit in a little bit better. And this is just our test coffee, so it's not going to come out as the perfect shot, but it's just to show you that the machine is working. So you can see. And I'll do some hot water. So that's about it for this video. Thanks for watching.